guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick and easy makeup look. This is what I do on like a normal basis if I'm not like filming. And I mean, you could use this for back to school. I mean, it's totally up to you. But if you want to see me do a quick and easy makeup look, then just keep watching. So I don't prime if I'm doing like a quick makeup look, because generally I wash my face beforehand and I moisturize around, so it's fine. I start off with going in with concealer. I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape. I generally put a little bit under my eye, and then I put it on like where I have acne spots. And then I blend that out with my beauty blender. And then I just go back in and see if there are any spots that need any more coverage. And then I try to drag a little bit down my neck just to make sure everything matches. And then at this point I take the Coty Airspun powder, and using my beauty blender I push powder into my face just because I get very oily, and I found that if I purposely set my whole face like this, then I don't get as oily as quickly. So I just go through and set my whole face. And then I just take a big powder brush and dust away any excess powder. As far as eyes go, I take a little bit of bronzer on a big fluffy brush and just blend that into my crease just to give me a little something. And then I don't put bronzer on my face. I go in with blush, just taking this Tarte Feisty blush. And then I usually take my big fluffy brush and just make sure my blush isn't too harsh. Then I take highlight and I take a fluffier brush so that way it's not as like blinding. Put some on my nose and on my cupid's bow. And then on like everyday basis, I take my beauty blender and go over it just a little bit to make it a little more natural. And then I put on mascara. And then as far as lips go, I generally just put some chapstick on just because I don't wear like lipstick on a regular basis. But yeah, here's an easy everyday makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.